Traders, welcome to the Crypto Trading Recap, the best show that guides you exactly how to trade the most volatile cryptocurrency markets with confidence. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade the best performing cryptocurrency pairs, step by step. Keep watching. As always, the first step of an effective cryptocurrency technical analysis is to switch the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency to the 4-hour candlestick time frame. Why? Because if you find your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 1-minute or 5-minute candlestick price charts, the odds of hitting your profit loss ratio for the trade will be very slim, and that means you're more likely to lose than you might win in a very volatile market price action. For example, I've switched the candlestick price chart data of the best performing cryptocurrency pairs to the 4-hour candlestick time frame. And next up, the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair are the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. For example, the most current bullish trend section of the TVK USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 0.0272 cent, and bounced up by 23%, and then dipped back down to 11%, and then bounced up by 53.84%, and then dipped back down to 7.56%, and then bounced up again by 43%, and then dipped back down to 13.71%. And finally, it bounced up by approximately 157% in 21 days. Note, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a no bullish trend section and open a trade position when a bullish trend section is starting to gain momentum to bounce in price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. So, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the TVK USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 157. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going long on this bullish trend section? For example, let's say you open a long trade position with a $500 worth of trading capital. You would have made approximately 120% profit going long on this bullish trend section. At 120% of $500 will be approximately $600 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade. And that's an amazing profit already. And next up, the most current bullish trend section of the Bullish USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 0.904 cent, and bounced up by 18%, and then dipped back down to 1.52%. and bounced up again by 127%, and then dipped back down to 56%. And finally, it bounced up by approximately 207%, which is an amazing bounce already. So, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a new bullish trend section and open a trade position when the bullish trend section is just starting to gain momentum to bounce in price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the Barber USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 207% in 4 days. This is amazing already. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going long on this bullish trend section? For example, let's say you open a long trade position with a $500 worth of trading capital. You would have made approximately 150% going long on this bullish trend section, and 150% of $500 will be approximately $800 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade, which is awesome profit. And let's talk the most current bullish trend section of the VIDT USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 0.179 cents, and bounced up by approximately 190%, and then dipped back down to 108%, and then bounced up again by 226%, and then dipped back down to 115%. And finally, it bounced up by 253% to complete its standard circle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of this bullish trend, which is 0.632 cents. As always, as a cryptocurrency trader, your duty is to identify the start of a new bullish trend section and open a trade position when the bullish trend section it's just starting to gain momentum to bouncing price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. So, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the VIDT USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 253%, which is amazing bounce. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going long on this bullish trend section? For example, let's say you open a long trade position with a $500 worth of trading capital. You would have made approximately a 200% profit going long on this bullish trend section, and a 200% of $500 will be approximately $1,000 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade, which is awesome profit, amazing profit, great profit. I lack words to express the massive profit that you can actually make from this particular trade. Look, traders, we've worked so hard to simplify your cryptocurrency trading process of making more money and gradually growing your crypto trading account over time. And if you wish to upgrade your crypto trading skill to the next level, leave a comment below and make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.